When a CAD model has a datum structure that is rotated into space, commonly referred to as car body centerline, it can be difficult to place the model in the correct orientation on the CMM. Rational DMIS uses a function called coordinate mapping, and this short tutorial will explain how this works. Firstly, create a coordinate system inside the measuring volume. Changing the x, y, and z values in the absolute position box allows a suitable location to be chosen. Click Apply. The machine moves to the selected coordinates. Ensure the point is selected in the feature measurement. For this example, change the point name to Start. Click the green tick mark, the point appears in the database. Datum on this point by selecting the coordinate icon, the translate icon, and change the name to Start. Click Add Activate. A new coordinate system appears in the database. Import the CAD model by dragging the file from a Windows Explorer and dropping it into the Graphics View window. Right-mouse click on the CAD file label. Select Set Model Alignment with a left mouse click. Create the datum structure on the CAD model that will be used as your temporary alignment. In this case, 3 planes will be used. 1, 2, 3. Select the coordinate icon. Then select the Create Coordinate icon. Change the vector for plane 1 to +x direction and change to -y for plane 2. Change the name of the new coordinate system to CAD, and left mouse click Add Active. Select the coordinate mapping icon. Drag the Start Coordinate System label from the coordinate database to the Transfer Coordinate to box. Drag the CAD Coordinate System label from the coordinate database to the Transfer Coordinate from box. Switch Learn on and click Transform. Select the program icon. Select the line in the program which has the first rotate command. Switch off Append Always at End. Select the coordinate icon and drag and drop the Start label to the graphics area. This will activate this coordinate system and insert the line into the program. Run the program from this line. Right mouse click on the CAD model label and select Set Model Alignment. The component is now in the correct orientation on the CMM, but maintains the CAD model alignment. This is just one example of the coordinate mapping function found in Rational DMIS. If you enjoyed this content, please like the video and subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell to be kept up to date with new videos.